Morning, super healthy people and who wanna be healthy. With you, Yaroslav Shvets again, and we're still discussing different super healthy and useful stuff you can use. So I wanna tell you about some really cool remedy you have inside your body and can use it almost in any time. I wanna talk about saliva. Yeah. So basically, especially if you're somewhere in a hiking, trekking, whatever, no pharmacy around, like no nothing around, basically you have 1,000 of grass you can use in different purposes for your digestion if you have some pain or scratch or whatever. But also you have something in your body as well. So let's say you have some scratch, cut, whatever you burn, yeah, just use your saliva and that's it. We have a lot of ferments and ingredients there, and also you can use it as antiseptic for avoid any bacteria come and so on, and it's cleaning as well. I read some articles when people said like saliva is really dangerous and so on and blah blah blah, what probably is a bullshit. Even my grandparents and my grandma, they said you can always use your saliva in different purposes. Let's say you have some problem in ear, yeah, you can put it in, or when you have some problem with your eye, yeah, when it's like too many acid or whatever, or maybe wind blow up, etc., you can put your saliva as well. Better to use your saliva, let's say, at least after 1-2 hours after eat or before meal, when you have no food in your mouth. So basically it's like best time when it's clean. So it's a good example when you can look on a different kind of animals. Yeah, if something happens, they lick it and they lick themselves when they need to clean it, or when they have wounds and cuts, same like all of the dogs and cats do, and all other animals, literally, I guess. So probably all of that articles what you can find, I found quite a lot, but I think it's kind of propaganda for make people buy more medicine. Why you need to use something for free what you got if someone need to sell medicine, right? But we can discuss both ways, and I'm interested in your opinion, what do you think about. And additionally, probably I need to make another video when I go to hiking, like, and what grass and leaves and roots you can use and so on. Yeah, what else from body you can use? If you have a cut, whatever, you can use your urine as antiseptic as well. Well, yeah, it's not so good compared to saliva, but let's say if it's something on the leg, yeah, it's not really comfortable for lick your leg finger or whatever. Okay, I try to be brief as possible and just little piece of useful information. You can make a deeper research if you want to. Later on will be much more interesting stuff, so stay tuned, and always thank you for your support.